This dual-lens snake cam can save you thousands in repairs. Teslong NTS500 reviewed. Let's be real. How many hours have you wasted blindly guessing what's wrong behind a wall, under a car hood, or inside a pipe? That moment when your flashlight and smartphone just aren't cutting it? Yep, we've all been there, bent over backwards, stressed out, sweating buckets, just trying to see something. Whether you're a hardcore DIYer or a pro in the trenches, locksmiths, mechanics, HVAC warriors, you need eyes in tight places. And spoiler alert! Your old tools? They're not helping. You're stuck in a frustrating loop of guesswork, unnecessary drilling, and total burnout. Now imagine this. Deadlines breathing down your neck, that urgent client call, and you're staring at a wall thinking, I might have to rip this entire thing open. Sound familiar? Every wasted minute costs money, and the stress? It's soul-crushing. Your tools should solve problems, not create new ones. And when a client's waiting, or you've only got one shot to get it right, hello, spark plug inspection, you can't afford a blurry, one-angle, half-dead Borescope that gives up mid-job. Missed opportunities equals lost trust equals zero referrals. It's not just frustrating, it's career-threatening. Enter the Teslong NTS500 dual-lens endoscope, your new inspection sidekick and absolute job saver. This ain't your granddad's clunky scope. With a crisp 5-inch HD screen, dual-lens flexibility, front and side views, adjustable LEDs for total darkness domination, and a beastly 9.8-foot probe, this thing slices through confusion like a ninja in a duct. Waterproof, rugged, and self-contained, it's a whole visual command center in your hands. No Wi-Fi. No lag. No excuses. From auto engines to soggy basements, this bad boy just works, saving time, stress, and cash. It's not just about seeing more, it's about doing more, with less hassle. No mirrors. No disassembly. No mess. Instantly switch camera angles, record 720p video, snap crystal clear stills, and dive into the darkest corners with 6 high-intensity LEDs. Got wet conditions? Bring it! The IP67 waterproof rating laughs in the face of puddles and pipes. Say goodbye to destroyed drywall and hello to streamlined workflows, sharper focus, and faster decisions. Want proof? Thousands of 5-star reviews. Professionals swear by it. Now it's your turn. Dive deeper, click the link to explore more features. So what are you waiting for? Stock is limited, demand is crazy, and your next inspection disaster is already lurking. Skip the regret. This is your do-or-die moment. Upgrade to the Teslong NTS500 and never go in blind again. Thousands of pros already trust it, join them. Click buy now, claim your Borescope before it vanishes, and experience the relief of finally having the right tool. Seriously, don't sleep on this one, it might just be the smartest purchase you make this year. Let's go, scope like a boss.